Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your ChatGPT chat history. This process is simple and doesn't take more than a minute. All you need is to be logged into your ChatGPT account. Start by opening your web browser and going to chat.openai.com. Sign in with your email and password if you aren't already logged in. Once you're inside, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your name or email there. Click on it to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This will open a small window on the side. Now look for the section called Data Controls. It may take a second to load, so just wait if you don't see it right away. Inside the Data Controls section, you'll find an option that says Delete All Chats. Click on that. A message will pop up asking you to confirm. It will say something like, "Are you sure you want to delete all chats?" Click Confirm to continue. Your entire chat history will now be deleted. This means you won't be able to see your past conversations anymore. Keep in mind that this will only remove the chats from your own view. OpenAI might still keep some data for security or training reasons depending on their policies. That's it. Your chat history is now deleted. Thanks for watching.